Success starts with discipline. Wake up early and seize the day. Set clear goals for yourself. Work on your dreams consistently. Never stop learning and growing. Push beyond your comfort zone. Stay focused on your purpose. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Fail forward. Learn from every mistake. Keep moving even when times are tough. Success requires sacrifice. No excuses, just results. Stay humble, stay hungry. Surround yourself with positive influences. Remove distractions from your life. Master the art of perseverance. Believe in yourself even when others don't. Keep your faith strong. Be grateful for every opportunity. Challenge yourself daily. If it was easy, everyone would do it. Stay away from negativity. Stay consistent, even when progress seems slow. Never let fear control your actions. Confidence comes from preparation. The road to success is never straight. Your habits shape your future. Keep your eyes on the prize. Focus on what you can control. Stay disciplined. Stay determined. Take responsibility for your actions. Don't compare yourself to others. Be patient. Greatness takes time. Every step forward counts. Take risks and embrace challenges. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. Ignore the naysayers. Learn from people who have succeeded before you. Visualize your success daily. Nothing worth having comes easy. Stay passionate about your goals. Work on your craft every single day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Your attitude determines your altitude. Small improvements lead to big results. Keep pushing even when it's hard. Set high standards for yourself. Learn to enjoy the process. Focus on the long-term vision. Be prepared to work harder than the rest. Let your actions speak louder than your words. Fear is just an illusion. Face it head on. Keep yourself accountable. Stay humble, but stay confident. Make every second count. Discipline creates freedom. Your mindset determines your success. Be adaptable and open to change. Hardships build character. Keep your energy high. Read, learn, and expand your knowledge. Invest in yourself. Find mentors who inspire you. Stay strong in the face of adversity. Take care of your body and mind. Avoid toxic environments. Let go of excuses. Keep the right perspective in tough times. Learn to say no to distractions. Find solutions, not problems. Growth requires discomfort. Be willing to go the extra mile. Stay hungry for knowledge. Focus on progress, not perfection. Make your weaknesses your strengths. Keep your emotions in check. Find joy in the struggle. Winners keep working when others stop. Your dreams demand action. Turn setbacks into comebacks. Give your best effort daily. Never let success make you complacent. Stay motivated by your why. Embrace the power of persistence. Be relentless in your pursuit of greatness. Never settle for mediocrity. Don't wait. Create your own opportunities. Set daily goals and accomplish them. Keep proving yourself right. Learn from failures. Don't fear them. Focus on your strengths and improve them. Your work ethic defines your future. Keep going, even when no one is watching. Be grateful for every challenge. Be someone others look up to. Take risks that lead to growth. Keep a strong belief in yourself. Stay inspired. Stay committed. Strive to be 1% better every day. The journey matters as much as the destination. Train your mind like you train your body. Every struggle has a lesson. Your competition is the person in the mirror. Use failures as fuel for success. Surround yourself with winners. Stay humble, but never stop striving. The only limit is the one you set for yourself. Keep moving forward, no matter how small the step. Discipline is the bridge between goals and success. Never lose sight of why you started. Success is earned, not given. Make time for self-reflection. Invest in lifelong learning. Focus on mastering your craft. Don't let distractions steal your potential. Push past your limits. Build resilience through challenges. Keep challenging yourself. Always aim for excellence. Eliminate bad habits one at a time. Make no excuses, just improvements. Passion fuels progress. A strong mindset beats talent. Stay committed to your dreams. The best time to start is now. Stay hungry for success. Small efforts lead to massive success. Every challenge makes you stronger. If you want more, do more. Don't let fear stop you. Work in silence. Let success make the noise. Always take the next step forward. Be proud of how far you've come. Greatness requires discipline. Never let your past define you. Give yourself time to grow. Every action creates momentum. Stay fearless in pursuit of greatness. Focus on what truly matters. Keep sharpening your skills. Learn from every mistake. Push through the pain of discipline. There are no shortcuts to success. Take pride in your work. The grind never stops. Don't wait for motivation. Act now. Be patient with your growth. Give yourself permission to dream big. Learn to enjoy the struggle. Prove yourself right. Keep a winner's mindset. Stay persistent. Never stop. Hard times build strong people. Let passion drive your efforts. Focus on getting better every day. Learn from every failure. Consistency beats occasional greatness. Keep striving for excellence. Believe in your own potential. Keep your goals front and center. Small wins add up over time. Stay resilient in tough moments. The journey is just as important as the goal. Push past obstacles with determination. Never lower your standards. Take control of your future. Be fearless in your pursuit of success. Use your struggles to fuel your ambition. Stay laser-focused on your vision. Keep making progress daily. Success is built step by step. Let nothing stand in your way. Stay positive, stay strong. Never let failures define you. Keep growing, keep learning. Wake up determined every morning. Stay committed to the grind. Push through every challenge. Stay dedicated to your craft. Your effort determines your results. Keep showing up for yourself. Take action every single day. Your future is in your hands. Stay true to your dreams. Believe in what's possible. Make today count. Your actions define your destiny. Keep fighting for what you want. Stay motivated, stay disciplined. Keep aiming higher. Success is yours if you work for it. Keep chasing greatness. Never stop pushing yourself. Dream big. Work harder. The best version of you is waiting. Keep building your future. Stay strong. Stay unstoppable. You are capable of greatness. Believe it. Success is a journey, not a destination. Every day is a new opportunity to improve. Stay focused on your own path, not others. Hard work compounds over time. Make every decision with purpose. Your habits define your future. Seek progress, not approval. No one owes you success. You must earn it. Turn obstacles into opportunities. Stay patient, stay persistent. Success is built on daily discipline. Be the hardest worker in the room. Focus on solutions, not problems. You control your mindset. Guard it well. Chase excellence, not comfort. Failure is feedback, not final. Keep pushing even when no one believes in you. Make time for self-improvement. The little things create big results. You have unlimited potential. Tap into it. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep striving to be your best self. Work with purpose, not just for reward. Be intentional about your growth. Learn to master yourself first. Take one more step when you feel like quitting. Stay committed when the excitement fades. The difference between good and great is effort. Stay true to your values. Greatness requires relentless effort. Strength comes from struggle. Learn to thrive in discomfort. The most successful people never stop improving. Be disciplined when motivation fades. Take action, even when you don't feel like it. Push through self-doubt. Hard work will always pay off. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. The grind never stops for those who want more. Stay positive, even in tough times. Build momentum with small daily wins. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Be patient. Success takes time. Every decision shapes your destiny. Your thoughts create your reality. Keep investing in your future self. You are in control of your life. Let go of limiting beliefs. Stay disciplined in your daily routine. Strive for excellence in everything you do. Be better than you were yesterday. Winners focus on winning. Losers focus on winners. The only person stopping you is you. Keep pushing forward no matter what. Never let temporary pain stop you from permanent success. The harder the challenge, the greater the reward. Stay committed to the process. Don't let comfort kill your ambition. Every great success story starts with struggle. Fear disappears when you take action. Keep your mindset strong. Every step forward builds your future. Your success depends on your daily choices. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Small efforts every day lead to massive change. Be obsessed with self-improvement. Never stop pushing yourself to grow. Greatness is built on daily consistency. Take control of your time. Make every day productive. Stay grateful for the journey. Keep proving yourself to yourself. You are stronger than your excuses. The work you put in today will pay off tomorrow. Never lose sight of your goals. Set your standards high and don't lower them. Keep your energy focused on what matters. Train your mind to be resilient. Greatness is earned, never given. Stop waiting, start creating. You are capable of more than you think. Take the leap and trust yourself. Every challenge makes you stronger. Keep learning, keep evolving. Your daily habits determine your success. Never stop aiming higher. Strengthen your mind like you strengthen your body. Don't let distractions derail your progress. Your success depends on your consistency. Hard work today creates a better tomorrow. The only way to fail is to quit. Push yourself beyond your limits. Success begins in the mind. Be proud of your progress, but never settle. The secret to success is consistency. Find joy in the process of growth. Stay patient. Greatness takes time. Focus on what you can do today. Don't let yesterday define you. Keep striving for mastery. Never allow negativity to control you. Invest in knowledge. It pays the best interest. Keep your mind sharp and your goals sharper. Make every moment productive. Keep your focus laser sharp. The key to success is persistence. Embrace challenges. They make you stronger. Believe in your ability to succeed. Create your own definition of success. Stay disciplined even when no one is watching. Learn from the best, then become the best. Failure is only feedback. Use it wisely. Push through self-doubt with action. Never wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Keep your momentum going, no matter how slow. Stay fearless in pursuit of your dreams. Surround yourself with winners. Cut out anything that doesn't help you grow. Set goals that challenge you. Make every failure a stepping stone. Be relentless in the pursuit of success. Keep your energy focused on solutions. Never stop believing in yourself. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Success is built on daily discipline. Stay in control of your emotions. Find strength in adversity. The harder the struggle, the sweeter the success. Let your work speak for itself. Push through when others give up. You are the author of your own story. Don't let temporary pain stop long-term success. Build your legacy one day at a time. Be willing to outwork everyone else. Stay positive, even when times are tough. Make sacrifices now for a better future. Never settle for good enough. Train your mindset daily. Hard work is the foundation of greatness. Stay committed to self-improvement. Confidence comes from preparation. The best investment is in yourself. Challenge yourself to be better every day. Work for the life you want, not the one you have. Eliminate excuses from your vocabulary. Always aim to exceed expectations. Discipline is the difference between success and failure. Stay focused. Success is a long-term game. Be fearless in your pursuit of greatness. Every day is a new chance to improve. Never let fear hold you back. The journey to success starts with a single step. Don't just dream. Take action. Turn your pain into power. Strive to leave a lasting impact. You get what you work for, not what you wish for. The grind is what separates the winners from the rest. Learn to love the hard work. Your future is determined by what you do today. Push yourself because no one else will. Stay consistent, even when motivation fades. Focus on progress, not perfection. The road to success is paved with discipline. Keep proving yourself right. Learn something new every day. Take risks that lead to growth. Be willing to make sacrifices for success. Stay committed even when it's hard. The world belongs to those who take action. Stay patient. Success is a marathon. Make self-improvement a daily habit. Keep learning, keep evolving. Your dreams require action. The struggle today makes you stronger tomorrow. Push through the discomfort. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Your only limit is your mindset. Choose growth over comfort. Keep setting higher goals for yourself. Stay resilient in the face of challenges. Focus on being 1% better every day. The best version of you is waiting. Go find it. Great things never come from comfort zones. Your mindset determines your future. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving. Be patient. Big things take time. Keep showing up no matter what. Train your mind to see opportunity in adversity. Success is a habit, not a one-time event. Every day is a chance to rewrite your story. You have everything you need within you. Use it. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is effort. Focus on what truly matters in the long run. Don't let temporary emotions make permanent decisions. Take full responsibility for your success. The greatest investment you'll ever make is in yourself. Choose action over excuses every time. Keep your mindset sharp and unbreakable. Work in silence and let your success shine. Never stop working toward your dreams. Small daily actions create massive success. Set big goals and chase them relentlessly. The only thing stopping you is self-doubt. Let it go. Success is a result of preparation and effort. Your energy should be spent on progress, not complaints. Believe in your ability to achieve greatness. Work harder than your excuses. Be so focused on winning that failure has no space. Stay hungry for knowledge and success. You don't find success, you create it. Take control of your future by taking action today. Stay consistent and watch the magic happen. Keep your standards high and never lower them. Train yourself to love the process.